It's Unit 8. Wow!
I can help you.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Hello everybody. Today we're going to do page 65 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and this is the start of Unit 8. This unit is called Animals. And the Let's Talk section has Kate and Andy talking at school while they're drawing pictures. In the student books, it was like this.
Look at the pretty fish.
Wow. There are red fish, yellow fish,
Blue fish and orange fish.
What's your favorite color, Andy?
Red. What about you?
I like blue. What about you?
What's your favorite color?
Okay, let's start. We're just going to trace these ones. So Andy says, what's your favorite color? So we go, what's, which means what is your favorite, and favorite's a special word. It means liked the best, like the most. Color, what's your favorite color? Kate answers, blue. What about you? Trace that. Blue. What about you? And Andy answers Kate, I like green. Nice. I like pink. Well, what about you? Okay, this is part B. It says unscramble, write, and number. So we have the sentences for us, but they're all mixed up and they're not in the right order. This one is 3. So we're gonna write the words in the right order and then tell which one is first or second. And in the student books, this little dialogue part looked like this. Okay, let's try it. This part, I'm just gonna trace. So this was number 3, the last one. And somebody said, I like green. All right, I like green. Okay, number 2, color favorite is what your. I know this should be first, so what is color? No, what is your color favorite or favorite color? Favorite color. Okay, let's write, what is your favorite color? Here we go. W, big W, H-A-T is your favorite, F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E, color, C-O-L-O-R. And in the dialogue part, this was the first thing they said. What is your favorite color? What about you? So down here we have the second one. We've got so right here we're just going to answer. What is your favorite color? About. What is your favorite color? What? What is your favorite color? You. What is your favorite color? Purple. That works. Let's write purple. What is your favorite color? Purple. And then we have to put in the question over here. What about you? We're going to write it after the period because this is a new sentence. So make sure you write over on this side. What about you? All done. Very good job on page 65.